Bitcoin pumping. What's going on in the crypto world? Smash the like button and let's go into it. We are going to $37,000. We told you this already in our social media. Follow us, FunOntheRide on X, former Twitter, and you can see the last chart we presented you here in FunOntheRide and how the $36,000 is hidden with that green candle. So close to $37,000, and we are so happy that this is happening after the golden close we told you about, and with all this fuss about the fake ETF approvals and the fake approval again sometime later. So we are keep on going, and we told you everything about that in the last video. We told you, do not be fooled, the Bitcoin halving is going to happen, and we told you about the path for Bitcoin. So watch that video if you hadn't, and you'll get to know where are we heading now, blue line or orange line. Good path for Bitcoin anyways. And here the Scalping Pro telling us that Bitcoin just broke this rising wedge, which is so cool. We might go a little bit higher and then find it as a support and then a magnet to $47,000. That would be awesome. Even he's telling us that Bitcoin is a new all-time high year to date. So we have to go all the way back to May 2022 to be in the same price we are right now. So congratulations to everybody that was so patient during all this period. And now trying to find this rising wedge this guy is talking about. And we can see the huge one he's talking about. We found this one that was broken, but we'll see if we break it in the future. He's using the bodies of the candles. I'm using the wicks. So we'll see about that in the future. And playing with TradingView, link in the description below. I am comparing the crypto bull market we might have. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not expert. But if we are following the path of 2015, as I believe, and we've commented so many times, you can see that rising wedge there, and I use the ghost pattern with those candles in order to see how similar is right now what we are following to the bull run we started at that point. And playing a little bit more as just Rodri FunOntheRide does. Smash the like button if you appreciate my crazy ideas. I just squeezed it a little bit, so I put the top and then the bottom just coinciding in period times, and you can see how it matches perfectly the rising wedge that we might break, maybe a fake out, and then start our way to $500,000 around June 2025, which would be an awesome summer for everybody. This time is no different. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. If it's not, well, Seth expected Bitcoin to be around 39 to 52,000 at the halving event in 2024, and in 2025 the all-time high, if we don't have that black swan, might be between 120 and $180,000. So cool to picture that. And also the Scalping Pro telling us that we have to consider that Bitcoin just reclaimed the neckline and broke down back in 2022. After the breakdown, price continued in the direction of the trend and printed a bear market lows. Price definitely broke out and reclaimed the neckline after spending 532 days below it. So we are expecting price to continue in the direction on the trend and printing a bull market highs. Maybe now up to that 45, a little bit of correction, and our way to the all-time high again. Well, money is flowing into the market. We have another day in the green for all the money coming into the crypto sphere. The market is green, our favorite color. And we have so many bubbles going in the green, like here you can see FTT, HT, NEO, etc., etc. Bitcoin going up 4.4 right now. The most important ones are in the green, and stable coins are in the red. So that means money that was kind of frozen there coming back into the market. And some people calling for a alt season already, like stock money lizards here with this chart comparing the situation with past cycles. And you can see first money comes into Bitcoin, then it goes to altcoins, then small caps, and then the crypto winter starts again. A crypto winter, this was the longest if it's already gone. So congratulations, because you survived the longest Bitcoin bear market in history. And here she said from Binance saying this that I relay on. 2 years of telling people to zoom out, chill, hold, and then we started 2 years of telling people do not FOMO, do not be too crazy. So hopefully we're starting to do crypto news saying to everybody not to FOMO, and the times of saying zoom out, chill, be patient will be over. We are greedy. We are greedy for third time in a row, but remember our fears. I told you in last video, Halloween strategy, the dollar price, and the gaps of the CME. Watch the previous video if you missed that out. And we are in the green for the quarter prediction 5.48. We'll see about that 19. And why? Why is Bitcoin going up? Well, you can see we have rumors about a possible approval of the ETF on Bitcoin, and we have this small window that everybody's talking about where Gary Gensler and the SEC can decide to green light whole 12 projects at the same time. We have this window. It ends on November the 17th, and then after that, if they want to approve 9 of them, they have till January the 10th. So still time there, and also we have to consider that if this happens, market can go crazy. But when we have the approval, we have to follow some steps. We will learn about them. But here with Balchunas, he's telling us that first we need to have approved on the 19B4S, and then they approve the S1s, and then a couple of days, and we have the ETFs. And you know that Gary Gensler was supposed to be with Grayscale talking about the ETF, and now we have more news about that. So allegedly, the SEC now with a different approach, trying to work on the details on how these ETFs are approved. And very interesting from Ottaviani here, we are 62 days from the last deadline for that ETF approval. And you can think also and consider that we have holders in a new all-time high. So everybody talking about the liquidity crisis we might first face if this ETF is approved. And what if this ETF is approved? You should buy the ETF. You should buy Bitcoin itself. Well, you should buy Bitcoin itself. Why? Maybe it's so convenient for some companies to buy the ETF, that derivative, that asset. But if you hold Bitcoin, you have no fees there. And after 30 years, you will have 10%, 100% of your investment. But if you buy the ETF just in fees, in 30 years, you'll have just 74% of your investment. And if we consider also how to take that money out and turn it back into dollars or whatever, in 30 years, you'll have just 54, 55%. So it's a better idea buying Bitcoin yourself, as we always told you how to do. And remember, yesterday we told you all the FOMO coming back because of ordinals, those NFTs on Bitcoin chain. Well, CryptoPunks floor is back above $100,000. Happy times for CryptoPunks. And we go to DeFi Llama. You can see also Board Up Judge Club is going up. So you can see how all the bubbles are going up. All those projects are going up. And also ordinals. And also NFTs. So the FOMO is coming back in the market. We can feel it. But be careful for partying too much, as Yuga Labs created this party. And they have some lights that harm people there. If you want to party safe, go to Barcelona 10, 11 of November with dextools.io. Link in the description below. Dex Force Festival is your last chance. And you can, any case, learn how to use dexturs.io, and you will learn that the hot pairs right now are Pepe and also Grok, and Dex is there. And we told you the other day, the alpha, that when Dex goes up, it's time for all the small caps, and it's happening. See, we told you about the good investment Dex could be in the past, and it was. You might have made a lot of money there. I'm not expert, but we saw that coming. I didn't, any case, had advantage of that, so bad for me. But you can party if you did in Barcelona. I remember we have 75% discount if you get the tickets with the link in the description below. 75% discount applied to the tickets. Here, by the DeFi ecosystem, you can see that all those NFTs and projects are going up. The FOMO is coming back into the market. And for Ethereum, happy to know that we broke the line we wanted to break, and now we have a new one that goes to all-time highs this year in July 2023. So good for Ethereum and very good for RAN. We just got an email and I got to news. So if you just ran app and you bought some R&D, now you're going to watch it in your app. This is my cell phone application. You can see there I just won 19 euros in my price account, another 20 euros in my earn account. So I'm up for almost 40 euros right now. But we can see already our R&D tokens, and we can buy our R&D Pro version with those, so we don't spend money but our utility tokens. Also, you remember that you can get some of those R&Ds just holding your credit there, your R&D or your euros in the platform. And also you can make money by inviting a friend. So now I'm getting 6 R&D every 15 days because I hold more than 1,000 euros, and I'm making here you can see 6 on October, 6 in November, and I got the investment I created plus 25% more that they gave us due to some trouble they have in the start. So thank you very much for that 25% to run. Remember, you can make money inviting your friends to join the app and the platform. And if you want to learn more about R&D and the token, you can go to your app, and in the part of R&D you have information about it. Remember, if you join RAN today, you're still going to enjoy 3 free months of RAN Pro. So do it today, I'm telling you. So, and if you have some benefits or maybe losses, remember to use coin tracking, the portfolio tracker I use, and you'll be happy if you are using it here with my demo account, even though this is a demo account, that your portfolio is going up in euro value or dollars. So happy to know. And remember, this is the only platform I trust for my tracker and for my tax report. And also I will tell you in new videos about some competitors saying goodbye. So resilient, the best coin tracking. That's why I recommend you our partners. Thank you to coin tracking to bring you all this information for free. And remember, this bear market has been crazy. We had to climb, but from time to time here in FunOntheRide, you find this shop, this happy shop in the top of the mountain where you can spend some time with your friends. My mommy sent me this video, crazy small store, convenient store, very inconvenient, that we found as we climb. So yeah, it's been a tough winter, but we are here in FunOntheRide, small house for having fun and enjoying, giving 5 that we are starting maybe the crypto spring, that maybe we as this raccoon used some tools we learned and we escape finally from the crypto winter. Good for the raccoon and good for you. We did it. Maybe so. We'll see about that. And maybe we fished something good and we'll need a bigger bank account to hold all the money we won. Like these guys, they thought they had a lot of fish there, but it was not just fish. It was a sea war, don't know how to call that, a sea lion. They had a sea lion there. Crazy, crazy stuff. Remember not to eat the plate if you are trying to eat some Bitcoin. Do not be as crazy as this cat is right there representing us. And be careful also to be too immersed in the metaverse and stuff, because you may fall like this guy. So now let's go and rest. This guy knows how to properly find some good bed and have some quality time of resting. And this guy doesn't, but it's okay to just rest however you want to rest. And be cute like this cat, or enjoy nature like he is doing. Right, there's some fun on the right. Remember, we have an AI channel. We told you there in AI News, X, Twitter, that ChatGPT is down today. What's going on there? Get to know it in AI News, our channel. And now watch one of those videos, or maybe you prefer to watch the videos you are missing from Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!